You know, the clearing of a table is a crucial part of the whole process. This can determine how fast we can reset or flip a table. And remember, time is money. Women should be cleared before men. It is not necessary to interrupt a conversation to clear a table. The most professional manner is to simply receive eye contact from the host party. Do not remove any plates until the entire table is finished with each course, unless requested to. The used silverware should be picked up piece by piece, not grabbed together in one hand. Lift the plates and then piece by piece remove the silverware. Remove large plates before small plates. Do not stack odd-sized plates. This is not allowed. Scraping food from one plate to another should not be done. Discreetly transferring debris to ease clearing is acceptable. Banding dishes when clearing. Crumb tables when finished clearing to remove any leftover food particles. Use a small plate to collect the crumbs. Pieces of stray food that has fallen off the plate and onto the table should be picked up with a napkin and then put on a plate, and then removed. When clearing glassware, never put fingers in or around the top of the glass. This is reserved for the customer's mouth. Your hands should only touch the base or stem of all glassware. Because clearing takes place at the end of the meal, it has great importance. If you sever someone a wonderful meal, only later to discuss them with sloppy clearing, the impression of the whole meal becomes negative. Remember, if you have any questions, please contact your supervisor. Good luck.